Ella was a happy little elephant. She lived in a sunny jungle. She loved her family very much. Ella had many friends, but Ella had a secret. She dreamed of seeing the world. Ella was the smallest elephant in her herd. The other elephants told her she was too small. They said the world was too big, but Ella didn't care. She knew she could do anything she set her mind to. Ella loved to listen to the older elephants. They told stories of faraway lands. They spoke of sparkling rivers and tall mountains. Ella would close her eyes and imagine these places. Her heart beat fast with excitement. She wanted to see these wonders for herself. One day, Ella decided to follow her dreams. She would go on an adventure. She would see the world. Every evening, the elephant herd gathered under the baobab tree. This was Ella's favorite time of day. The oldest elephant, Omar, would tell stories. Omar had traveled far and wide. Omar told of a shimmering desert. The sand sparkled like 1,000 diamonds. She told of a deep blue sea. Colorful fish swam in the coral reefs. Ella listened with wide eyes. "Did you see any butterflies, Omar?" Ella asked one evening. Omar chuckled. "Butterflies, little one? I saw a whole sky full of butterflies. They were every color of the rainbow." Ella's heart soared. She wanted to see those butterflies too. Omar's stories filled Ella with wonder. They gave her the courage to dream. Ella knew she had to see the world for herself. Ella knew her journey wouldn't be easy, but she was brave and she was determined. She gathered her courage. She packed her little trunk with berries and nuts. She said goodbye to her family. "Don't worry, Mama," Ella said. "I'll be careful and I'll be back soon." Ella's mother hugged her tight. She was worried but also proud. She knew Ella had a big heart and a curious mind. Leaving her family was hard, but Ella knew they would always be in her heart. She took a deep breath and started on her adventure. She was excited to see what wonders awaited her. Ella walked for days. She wasn't afraid. She knew she would find her way, and she knew she would make her family proud. Section 4. A World of Wonders. Ella saw amazing things on her journey. She crossed a rushing river. She climbed a rocky mountain. She even saw the sparkling desert that Omar had described. Just like Omar said, the sand did sparkle like diamonds. And then Ella saw them. Thousands of butterflies filled the sky. They were every color imaginable. Ella laughed with joy. She had never seen anything so beautiful. Along the way, Ella met new friends. She met a playful monkey named Mika and a wise old owl named Oliver. They told her stories of their own. They taught her about their homes. Ella learned so much on her journey. She learned that the world was full of wonder, and she learned that she was braver than she thought. Section 5. The Wise Tortoise and the Magical Flower. One day Ella met a wise old tortoise named Timothy. Timothy was very slow, but he knew everything about the jungle. "Timothy," Ella asked, "have you ever seen a magical flower? A flower that can grant wishes?" Timothy smiled. "I know of such a flower," he said, "but it is very hard to find. It grows deep in the heart of the jungle, and it is guarded by a riddle." "A riddle?" Ella asked. "What is the riddle?" Timothy closed his eyes. "I am always coming, but never arrive. I am always near, but never here. What am I?" Ella thought long and hard. This was a tricky riddle. Section 6. The Gift of Joy. "I know," Ella shouted suddenly. "The answer is tomorrow." Timothy smiled. "You are correct, little elephant," he said. "You are wise and clever." He pointed with his wrinkly neck. "The magical flower is just beyond those trees." Ella raced towards the trees, and there it was, a beautiful flower glowing with a soft light. Ella carefully plucked the flower. She closed her eyes and made a wish. She wished for her jungle home to be filled with even more joy and laughter. She wished for her family and friends to be the happiest they could be. As soon as she made her wish, the flower glowed brightly and disappeared. Ella felt a warmth spread through her. It was the warmth of happiness. It was the warmth of knowing she had done something kind. It was time to go home.